Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to this free Stata online course. I will introduce Stata commands for descriptive statistics, data management, OLS regression analysis, and post-estimation tests. There are 3 modules in this course. In the first module, you will learn how to obtain the summary statistics, such as the mean and the median of a variable. Today, I will start with the first topic, the 3 basic Stata commands that provide descriptive and summary statistics. They are describe, summarize, and Codebook. Please download the dataset BOB.dta from the resource link and place it in the working directory. The dataset contains information on U.S. workers between 25 to 54 years old who participated in the panel study of income dynamics (PSID) surveys. We usually take a look at the summary statistics of variables before running regressions, because knowing the pattern of the data helps us better understand the data and avoid coding mistakes. The Stata command describe shows how many observations are in the dataset and how many variables are in the dataset. Below that, there is a table of variables. In the table, Stata provides a description of each variable, containing its name, storage type, display format, value label, and variable label. The variable label provides information about the variable in addition to its name. For example, the variable childhood in the dataset indicates whether the individual grew up in a 2-parent household. The storage type tells us whether the variable is numeric or a string. Each variable is either a numeric type or a string type. Float and byte are numeric types. For example, the variable age is a numeric variable. The health report is a string variable. Numeric variables contain numbers, while string variables contain characters. Only the numeric variables can do calculations such as addition and multiplication. We can use the browse command to see the spreadsheet of the data. Next, we explore the Stata command summarize. Summarize is followed by the variable's name. For example, we can type summarize age. It produces the number of observations, the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum value, and the maximum value. There were 4,183 observations or individuals in the sample. The mean age is 36.8 years old. The standard deviation of age is 8.1 years. The values range from 25 to 54. From the minimum and maximum values, we can tell whether the variable is a continuous variable or a binary variable. For example, if we type summarize female, we find that it is a binary variable, which is also called the dummy variable. It takes on only 2 values, 0 and 1. There are some useful options for the summarize command. We use the detail option to find more summary statistics of the variable, including various percentiles, the 4 smallest and 4 largest values, variance, skewness, and kurtosis. We type summarize age, detail, and find all these statistics. The 50th percentile is the median of the variable age. It is 35 years of age. The mean of age is 36.8 years. We use the option if to find summary statistics for different groups. If we want to know the age of female workers in the sample, we type summarize age if female equals 1. For the male workers, we type summarize age if female equals 0. The mean of age for female workers is 37.1 years old, and that for male workers is 36.5 years old. We can also use the by sort prefix to obtain the summary of age for each group of individuals. We type by sort female, summarize age. We obtain the same result as using the if option. The third Stata command is Codebook. The Stata command Codebook is followed by the variable's name. It provides details of the variable, including the name, variable label, type, range, missing values, mean, and standard deviation. It produces percentiles for continuous variables and frequencies for dummy or categorical variables. For example, we type Codebook followed by the variable age. We find its name. The variable label is individual's age. It is a numeric type variable. The range is from 25 to 54. There are 30 unique values. There are no missing values for age in this sample. Then we find its mean, standard deviation, and percentiles. If we type Codebook followed by a dummy variable, female, we can find similar information. Since it is a dummy variable, the range is from 0 to 1, and there are 2 unique values, 0 and 1. It shows the frequencies of each category. 1,884 male workers and 2,299 female workers in the sample. Finally, please notice that Stata is case-sensitive. The Stata commands are in lower cases. Many Stata commands can be abbreviated to their first few letters. For example, we could shorten describe to just the letter D, or to shorten summarize to just sum. But in my view, it is a good habit to write the whole commands. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next topic.